I'm content.
Yeah. So we let him out in the big yard.
I am very content with my approximations.
Cyrus. Cyrus.
Come on, Cyrus.
Come here, boy. I'll pick him up. Come here, darling. Come here, darling. Yes. Good boy. Good boy.
Oh no, it's starting.
Yeah?
The cocoon is starting. I can already feel it.
Well, there goes my tulips. Luckily, they're not poisonous. God.
No, that's right. You're the one that likes to attack me. Yeah, you are. Yep, it's starting. Yep.
Oh, she wants to give you kisses.
It's starting.
Let's see, he's got Cyrus and Dovey and Spirit. Come here, my boy. Come here, my boy. What are they doing? What are they doing? Are you going back in your yard?